Hey everyone, we're back again. Today we're doing a bit of a throwback. We'll be opening 2002 Top Series 2. I picked this up on eBay just because I was looking for something to open. And I really don't want to get out and go to any like card shops or big box stores right now with a virus going around. So picked this up on eBay. I'm not going to do the whole box. Most channels will probably do the whole box, but realistic pulls on a realistic budget. We are going to have a little fun. We'll probably do about half the box, I think. Maybe a little less. This probably isn't their strongest suit that Topps ever had. Not a great sign. But, oh wow. You know, there's a couple of autograph cards, really when Topps started getting back into... Is this a sticker? That's great. I'll have to put that on something. But there's a couple of autographs. Alex Rodriguez, when he was with the Rangers, did some autos in here. We'd like to pick one of those up. Barry Bonds has an auto buried in these somewhere. Not in these. And also, there's like one rookie card you can look for if that's worth anything. But mostly we just want to have fun and open some. I may just do these and break it into like 4 videos, 2 videos, whatever. So let's see if we get anything. And as always, if you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe. This has one of the more unfortunate designs. Who I'd really like to get? Ooh, gotta love a Yankee. Jason Giambi. What an unfortunate card design, 2002. This is Series 2. If it was Series 1, I would be looking for Texas Rangers, A-Rod's in there. Minnesota Twins. I'd be looking for Sean Casey, who is the player at PC. It's kind of a random player, I'm fully aware, but he was the first player that really got me into baseball. I could always just pick Sean Casey to look at. What is this? 1952 World Series insert. Interesting. Brett Butler. Oh, I hate it when they're upside down. Orlando Hernandez. As a Yankees fan, I will be putting all my Yankees cards in a separate pile. I'd also like CC Sabathia, who I think might be in here. Obviously, he would have been an Indian, not a Yankee by this point, but... Florida Marlins. It's a cool team card. These packs are difficult to open. No sticking currently, which is good. Doesn't feel like they're stuck together in any way. Hope everybody's excited to watch me struggle to open all these. Frank Thomas. Troy O'Leary. Oh, I just said that. I think I got one stuck together. Yeah, Jose Canseco stuck here. One little mark on the card. Juan Soto. Golden Glove. Oh, look how stuck together these are. Checklist. Ugh. That literally pained me. On to our next pack. Oh man, look how stuck these are together. I've heard if you just kind of flex them a little bit as a whole, that helps. Oh yeah, that did help. Okay. Putting that in my Yankees pile. Oh, what do we got here? Ivan Rodriguez. World Team. That's a cool looking card. Oh, it's just extra thick. Okay. They just made it thick. Cool. Fun insert there. Just turning these over every which way. Boston Red Sox. This is a kind of a fun, affordable opening. This is really when Top started getting into the relics game. Yeah, putting in autos. Oh, this is also stuck together. That's kind of a cool looking card. For such a poor design. They got some cool images at least. 52 World Series highlight. Billy Cox. That's a cool looking card. Nice throwback. Montreal Expos. E-Tops. Wow, look at that. Start building your online portfolio today. That sounds like applying for college in the 2000s. Building your online portfolio. I'm keeping that just because it's amusing. Rusty Greer. Barry Bonds. Not the auto, obviously, but still nice. Barry Bonds. Still putting that in a different pile. But yeah, I hope everybody is staying safe out there. Stay inside. Wash your hands. For the love of God, wash your hands. We'll get through this and we'll get baseball back. Lord knows I miss sports. But, you know, cards are a temporary substitute. That's a cool card. 3 packs to go in this first box break video. I'm so bad at opening these, it's like not even funny. Ugh, I just heard it break. Oosh. Milton Bradley. I always remembered him as a kid because of his name. Always made me think of like Monopoly. Phillies took a good team picture there, and another checklist card. 2 more to go. Jesus. I'm just so bad at opening packs. It's like not even funny how bad I am at opening packs. Thank you for bearing with me if you've made it this far in the video. Watching me struggle to open these packs. Okay, finally. What a look. Move on. McGee, Palmer. Mike Piazza, like action shot there. LaRue. Turk Wendell. And the Angels. I think the only team card I haven't gotten at this point is my Yankees. Ooh, these are very stuck together. Listen closely for ASMR. Hope everybody enjoyed that. Hope you got the chills. Ben Sheets. Mike Matthews. Marcus Giles. Another Golden Glove Award winner. Ryan Grip. Toronto Blue Jays. Batista. So that is all for this video. We'll be doing some more of these, of this box. I think I'm going to separate it into multiple videos, so stay tuned. I'll probably have a playlist. Click it, and thanks again.